If you want to stay young and healthy for as long as possible, then this video is definitely for you, because I'll show you 5 best anti-aging exercises. The 5th exercise is a game changer. So, watch the video till the end. Before we begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel to receive more fitness workout tips regularly. So, now let's begin. Number 1. Squats. Squats work for several large muscle groups. When performing squats, the buttocks, front, and inner thighs actively work. The muscles of the back and abdomen perform a stabilizing function and keep the spine in an even position. During squats, most of the muscles in the lower body are worked, which helps develop their strength and endurance. Strong muscles allow you to move comfortably and easily perform everyday tasks, such as climbing stairs or getting out of a chair. Squats strengthen your joints. With proper technique and optimal dosing of the load, squats contribute to the healthy functioning of the knee, hip, and ankle joints. Squats improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Squats improve blood circulation. Like any other exercise, squats move muscles and improve blood and lymph circulation. During exercise, cells are actively saturated with oxygen and nutrients, which has a positive effect on their functioning and the overall well-being of a person. Number 2. Plank. The plank is one of the best exercises for strengthening your core muscles. Regular exercise helps improve posture and relieve back pain caused by weak muscles and muscle imbalances. In addition, planking helps improve overall body tone and overcome balance problems that can cause injuries at home. It also helps stretch muscles and tendons, which affects the development of flexibility. Planking is also believed to be beneficial for mental health as it can act as a meditative exercise. A static element, during which it is important to monitor your breathing, can help you calm down and put your thoughts in order. Number 3. Lunges. Along with squats, lunges are considered a traditional exercise for firm buttocks. However, in addition to the gluteal muscles, the muscles of the thighs, shins, back, and abs are also involved. Lunges relieve stress from the back muscles, which relieves lumbar pain, which often occurs in those who work while sitting. Lunges improve coordination and posture by consistently working the right and left sides of the body, the need to maintain balance, and a stable position of the spine. Lunges increase the flexibility of the body by loading the flexor muscles and help you lose extra pounds. Performing lunges requires a lot of energy, so fat deposits will disappear and muscle mass will build. Number 4. Push-ups. Push-ups work the pecs, deltoids, triceps, and abdominal muscles. Exercise helps strengthen them and increase muscle mass. Regular push-ups prevent the development of sarcopenia, and strong muscles support bones and joints and reduce the risk of fractures. In addition, push-ups improve functional status. Exercise has a beneficial effect on the respiratory and cardiovascular systems of the body. Push-ups increase joint mobility. Regular exercise improves the mobility of the shoulder and elbow joints and also promotes their healthy functioning. Push-ups also help improve balance and stability. By maintaining proper posture during push-ups, your muscles are constantly working to keep your body in the correct position. Number 5. Glute bridges. The glute bridge is an isolated exercise aimed at working the gluteal muscles and strengthening the core and thigh muscles through a static load. The main muscle worked here is the gluteus maximus. The thigh muscles, core muscles, and even the calf muscles also work. In addition to improving the appearance and rounding of the buttocks, the glute bridge is also used for medical purposes, mainly in rehabilitation. The benefits of the glute bridge are to strengthen and stabilize the muscles of the pelvis and lower back. According to research, stabilizing the gluteal and back muscles reduces chronic pain and is used as a preventive measure for various diseases. This exercise helps strengthen the glutes, core, and thighs while promoting stability and reducing the risk of injury. There you have it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.